Hello, this is Hooked by Happenstance, and I'm Kendra, and it is time for another Sunday Sunrise. My Sunday Sunrise, in case you are unfamiliar, is my solution to New Year's resolutions. Rather than making a bunch of goals in January, I decided I would make weekly goals this year, tell you about them every week, and then we come back, shed some light on the past week, see if I did good or not, and then what I want to do in the week forward. This week, I am not making this video until Monday because I took some advice from a couple weeks ago. I had suggested that you not make your list without consulting with the other members of your household, because frequently when you do that, your personal plans get derailed by the plans of your family. So I waited till today when I actually had a chance to sit down with the rest of my family and look at what we had planned for the week. And then I made a list accordingly. So here is my list, and I am back to my tiny paper big marker, so I can't put too many things on it, and I did also enumerate the items on it so that I really have a better sense of what it is, and I can check the individual items off as I go to help me feel more successful. So last week, my one and only goal was the word bingo. It was that I was trying to finish up October's Let Peachlet Play bingo, which you can find your own board for November over on my Patreon, patreon.com/hookedbyhappenstance. There's free bingo boards over there if you'd like to play along this month. And I did complete my bingo board. I got a blackout. I have one item that I did not fully finish, but I am still considering it as counting for the bingo board because it was to make a monstrous project. I put almost 7 skeins of yarn into the project in the month of October, so I'm gonna just call that good. I also wanted to make sure that I put up November's board for you all, and I did, and it was fun, and I am just itching to start checking things off. I'm starting to work on things, but I have yet to actually cross anything off my list. But there's still lots of time. Plenty of time in November. So let's look at this week's list and talk through the items that I would like to focus on. Again, please remember that these are areas of focus, which does not necessarily mean that everything on the list has to get completely done for me to still feel good at the end of the week. I am just saying that this is where I need to prioritize my energy, and hopefully at the end of the week I'll feel successful. And this is a tool to make that happen. So, the first thing is that I want to put 4 videos out on the channel, and I enumerated them. This Sunday Sunrise here, I would like to film a podcast, so next Monday. I plan to film a video going over the entire bingo sheet for November. I did that last month, and people seem to enjoy it, so it'll give you some ideas and kind of where I think I'm going for the month. And lastly, a Let Peachlet pick, which I get to do because I'm nearing the end of a previously picked project. So now Peachlet will let me pick a new one. So the next thing on my list is as far as my shop. I need to finish packing and shipping out the mystery clubs today. I'm in progress on that. It will be done tonight. That's just on the list because I know it's going to happen and I know it's a priority. So I can just, sometimes it's nice to put something on your list you just know you can check off pretty much right away because, again, seeing that little check mark makes you feel good. Next, I plan to update my shop this week. I'm thinking it's going to be tomorrow, Tuesday. Some things might not go up till Wednesday. It really depends if the sun cooperates and lets me take pictures, or if it's raining. So, it will happen in the next couple of days. There will be an update on my shop. And then, I also want to finish 3 things on my On the Hook list. There's only, 6 or 7 things that are active on there. But I would like to finish 3 of them because I have several that are so close. And finishing those will translate to things getting crossed off my bingo board, I assume. And finally, Instagram. I want to continue to post on Instagram because I'm enjoying that. I think y'all are enjoying that. If you are not following me, you can find me on Instagram at HookedByHappenstance. I've been taking pictures daily-ish of my handmade wardrobe. I seem to wear the same things over and over, so I don't always take the same pictures over and over, but you get the general gist of what I'm wearing. I also post other updates and things, and I've been posting very close progress on my bingos. So, if you are interested in all those things, go over there. Like I said, check out my Patreon, patreon.com/hookedbyhappenstance to get your own free bingo board for the month. On the screen next to me is a link to something else that's gone on here at the channel recently. And you can also subscribe so these videos will just show up in your feed as I put them out because I don't run on a schedule. If you haven't noticed, not quite my thing. That is it for this week. I will see you all next time. Bye!